Whether owner-occupied real estate or investment real estate, one of the most essential things that needs to be done before you can start taking down these properties is find proper financing. With so many lenders and so many options available in today's world, how do you decide who's best to go with for your financing? Should you go with an online lender, a local lender, a big bank lender, small bank lender, mortgage broker, local mortgage broker? The list goes on. I'm going to help you discern that information, find out what the motive is for each one of these entities so you can best figure out who to go to for your financing so you can maximize your financing in this video. This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity, helping you to increase your net worth through relationship banking, maximizing your borrowing capacity, proper use of life insurance, and the ownership of real estate. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. I'm uploading content on a daily basis around these topics, and I don't want you to miss out. Thank you for your support. Let's get started. So whether you're looking to take down owner-occupied real estate, primary residence, or second home, or you're looking to take down your first investment property or next investment property, what you've probably already learned, or if you haven't, you will learn, getting your financing lined up is the most essential. Your financing determines how much real estate you can afford, where and what areas you can buy, and how much you're going to end up paying for that real estate over the life of the loan. These are essential forms of information you need before you can move forward on executing your next real estate deal. So how do you determine who to go to in order to get the best terms and the best rates and the most value out of your financing? You need to understand what each entity in the lending space, what their motivation is and where they're incentivized, so you can understand how to best align with the right entity to get the best financing. So let's start with lenders. Lenders are typically, that's a blanket term that typically covers direct lenders. So you're basically going to be thinking about your big banks, your small banks, your local credit unions, any entity that's doing the direct lending and oftentimes direct servicing of your mortgage loan. This is typically what you're going to consider a lender. You have subcategories within lender. You have different larger banks, you have different smaller banks, and then of course you have companies that basically broker the deal, like Rocket Mortgage, for instance, Lending Tree, and companies of this nature, who basically partner with dozens, if not hundreds of lenders throughout the country and take your information and shop them for you. This bridges us over to mortgage brokers. The difference between lenders and mortgage brokers: lenders are incentivized to lend out money. They're renting you money. So their goal is not centered around giving you the best financial advice or guidance around making your financing purchase or your real estate purchase. Their goal is to find out the maximum they can lend to you and how much they're going to charge you to lend you that money. How risky are you? So your lender is not going to be focused on helping you make the best financial decision or the best real estate purchase you can make. On the other hand, your mortgage broker, their incentive is around working with a plethora of lenders, having a robust sphere of loan products, and shopping the best options for you. Their incentive is to try to get you the best loan product that's going to fit for you, and so they can get paid. They're looking to match you with the best fitting lender. Sometimes they're going to be looking to get you with the lender that may pay them the most money. It depends. What you need to be focused on between these two entities is figuring out which one is going to fit your real estate deal the best. Are you going to be doing an owner-occupied purchase, a first-time home buyer? Are you buying a vacation property? Is this an investment property? If so, what type of investment property? There are lenders for each niche inside of the real estate market, and you want to do your best to try to find a lender or broker that's going to fit you the best. In most cases, you're going to be best served shopping brokers. The reason for this, again, is because brokers are incentivized to find you the best loan product with the best lender possible. They're going to have the most options, and they're going to do a lot of the legwork, taking your information one time and shopping it over a plethora of different lending options versus going to one lender that's going to try to fit you into their box, their lending criteria, and their loan product. It doesn't mean that large or smaller banks may not be the best option, or a direct lender isn't the best option. That's not the case. There are some exceptions to that rule. But in most cases, you're looking to go to a company that has the most flexibility and has experience in a broad array of products because your needs are unique. And again, I've dropped a video recently that explains that this is not transactional. This is relationship based. You should be partnering with a lender months, if not years in advance of your real estate purchases. This is going to be so advantageous for you when it's time to streamline this process, because financing, again, is probably the most important part of a real estate deal. None of it comes together without proper financing. So what you need to do is first figure out and discern what exactly are my real estate needs. What type of property? Where am I looking to buy? From that point on, you can shop mortgage brokers or lenders based on your buy box. And you can let them know exactly what you're looking for. So either the lender can let you know if that's something they can serve, an area they can service you properly, or the mortgage broker can shop you around to lenders who are going to best fit. His or her job is to know, when they see your buy box, what lenders are going to be the best fit for you. So my recommendation is to take a strong consideration on building a strong relationship with a really flexible direct lender or a really trained, seasoned, and knowledgeable mortgage broker, ideally local to your area. But if not, you build that relationship virtually the best you can. I know this information was valuable for you. We're going to continue to cover topics around this arena because financing is detrimental to your real estate progress. Thank you for tuning in. I want you guys to stay focused, stay in motion. I'll see y'all soon.